Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is atomberg ceiling fan. If you have any speed problem in atomberg ceiling fan, you can easily fix this. See here, in my fan, there is no issue. If you see any issue like speed is slowly rising and in between it's go rising and slow like that, then you can easily fix. So what you got to do, usually you will have a regulator in this switchboard. Okay, for any fan we will use usually regulator. Okay, for this atomberg you should not connect regulator. Okay, here regulator is given, but we have used this atomberg ceiling fan so that this fan is not controlled by regulator. See here, see, there is no change when I turn regulator here because it is not connected to regulator. Suppose if you have connected your fan with regulator, then your fan will confuse and it will go up and down. Okay, so you can use remote for adjusting speed level. Okay, in atomberg you don't need to connect any regulator. Okay, so if you have connected like that, first disconnect from the regulator. Okay, disconnect the board and see if there is any connection for the fan here. Okay, if it is there, then remove it, then you can fix the problem. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.